Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Disha Panchal with an update on India weather. Delhi records coolest day of June as rain brings massive relief from heat. After weeks of scorching temperatures and intense heat wave conditions, Delhi and the National Capital Region have finally received much needed relief. A spell of rain, thunderstorms and strong winds has pushed temperatures sharply lower, making it the coolest day of June so far in the national capital. The sudden change in weather has brought welcome respite to millions of residents who had been battling extreme summer heat across Delhi NCR. According to the India Meteorological Department, widespread cloud cover, rainfall and thunderstorm activity have significantly reduced temperatures across the region. Safdarjung, Delhi's based weather station, recorded a maximum temperature of just 33.3 degrees Celsius, which is about 5.5 degrees below normal for this time of the year. Strong winds and overcast skies helped keep daytime temperatures unusually low, creating conditions more typical of the monsoon season than mid-June. Weather officials say the cooling effect was caused by moisture-rich winds and persistent thunderstorm activity across northwestern India. Residents across Delhi, Noida, Gurugram, Ghaziabad and surrounding areas reported pleasant weather, with many stepping outdoors to enjoy the rare break from the oppressive heat. The IMD has forecast generally cloudy skies, rain and thunderstorms over the next several days. Weather experts say moisture remains present in the atmosphere, which could continue to trigger scattered showers and thunderstorm activity through June 21. On Wednesday, Delhi recorded a minimum temperature of 23.8 degrees Celsius, while additional rainfall was reported across parts of the city. Forecasters expect maximum temperatures to remain relatively comfortable compared with the severe heat experienced earlier this month. Just a few weeks ago, Delhi was experiencing temperatures above 46 degrees Celsius, prompting heatwave alerts across the region. The latest weather shifts mark a dramatic turnaround from those extreme conditions. The weather system is not limited to Delhi alone. Parts of Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan and neighbouring regions have also experienced rain and gusty winds, providing relief from the intense summer heat. Meteorologists believe the current pattern is being supported by cyclonic circulation and moisture-laden winds moving into northern India, helping fuel rainfall and thunderstorm activity. While the cooler weather has been welcomed by residents, authorities are advising people to remain cautious during thunderstorms, avoid waterlogged areas and stay updated with official weather advisories. For now, Delhiites can enjoy a temporary escape from the heat as rain and cloudy skies continue to dominate the forecast. We will continue to bring you the latest weather updates from across India and around the world. If you found this report helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more breaking news and weather coverage. Thanks for watching.